So we've come to the end of Workshop 1 Safeguarding of our wonderful new cohort. And we've learned new things after even this first session. Julia, what have we learned?
Well, we restructured the course this time because we had so many people who wanted to join it that we needed to find other ways to make sure that they were all heard. So usually we deliver our content and then we go off into breakout rooms and then we come back and we share what we've said. But when you have 30 or 40 or 50 people on a group, you have to make sure that you hear from everybody. And so we combined the feedback and the group discussions with doing a poll and with making word clouds so that everybody got a vote and they were able to say what their feelings were in other ways. The chat box was just brimming with good ideas because everybody was finding ways to communicate beyond the face-to-face. And I think that's another amazing thing that just happened. So this cohort happened to have 18-year-olds and 68-year-olds in it. And it had people with decades of tutoring experience and people with no tutoring experience whatsoever. And they were all on an even playing field because, number one, we all love to talk about tutoring and haven't yet had the chance. And number two, those who are more experienced love supporting those who are less experienced, and those who are less experienced are natural learners. And so we've got this community of like-minded people, each at different places within their learning journey. And by putting them together and allowing the technology to bring us together, even during lockdown, even during isolation, even during school closure, even amongst the anxiety of not quite sure what's going to happen this autumn, we've brought people together at a time when they're thirsty for community. And we've brought people together to talk about tutoring at a time when tutoring has just landed in mainstream education.
It was wonderful to see that collaboration between the participants. And we are very excited for this cohort going ahead and for the new style of workshop.